Behind the design, intrinsic forefoot post. This client needed a custom orthotic with support for the lateral column and lateral forefoot. The design needed to follow the forefoot alignment, which was a forefoot valgus, and support the valgus with a late drop-off. The aim of this orthotic was to support the foot morphology captured in the scan. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected an intrinsic forefoot post within the posting section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. This selection is an in-shell variable to provide support behind the metatarsal heads. It is a low bulk option. It can be prescribed in a varus or valgus direction and can be manufactured at a prescribed angle or matched to the forefoot alignment captured in the cast or scan. The front edge will drop off to maintain stability. Orthotip. An intrinsic forefoot post blends with the medial or lateral arch profiles. A lateral forefoot valgus post will provide a more distal high point compared to the lateral arch. Alternatively, you can prescribe an extrinsic EVA forefoot post with EVA supporting the varus or valgus alignment. Another option is to continue the support under the metatarsal heads with a forefoot varus extension or a forefoot valgus extension